draw 3 or more kids in motion in a scene together. If I'm mean, I'd say 5, because that's what they told me to do it with Snowball Moon. It's just, I get hired a lot. This is what I get usually hired for. I guess seeing Beauty and the Beautiful, sometimes it's like that too, but most of them, they need to interact with other kids, and being able to draw different kids, you know, as individuals in a scene. You know, they can do anthropomorphized animals too if they want, anthropomorphized animal kids if they want to, but multiple interacting with each other.